Welcome back to Alina Spanish. Today we are going to discuss 5 most common mistakes in Spanish. However, these mistakes are not so easy to spot. We are going to talk about 5 of them, so let's get started with the first one. It's about numbers. We can say 31,000 or 251 or 1,000. The correct version would be 31,251,000. Una always becomes un before the nouns. The second one, ser, estar, difference. It is very different if we say soy despierto or estoy despierto. Despierto means different thing depending whether we use it with ser or estar. Ser despierto, to be smart. Estar despierto, to be awake. Ser aburrido, to be boring. When something is boring, like for example, esta fiesta es muy aburrida. And estar aburrido means to be bored. Esta fiesta es muy aburrida, por eso estoy aburrido. The other example is rico. Ser rico, to be rich, to have a lot of money. Estar rico means to be tasty. For example, mi amigo es rico. Siempre come en los restaurantes donde la comida está muy rica. If you find this topic interesting, you can learn more about ser, estar in my YouTube video. I will leave the link below, or my course where you can practice this topic deeply. Another mistake is about professions or occupations. In English, as we know, we use indefinite article before the professions. In Spanish, however, we don't. So it is not correct to say soy un profesor. The correct version will be soy profesora or soy profesor. But of course, there is a possibility to use indefinite article with professions. It is when we also use adjective with it. Soy abogado, soy un abogado bueno. Ella es mecánica, ella es una mecánica excelente. The same goes for other occupations, like mi hermana es estudiante or mi hermano es un estudiante muy bueno. Let's move on to the next mistake. It is tener and the wrong article. It is not correct to say no tengo un gato or no hay un chico. Such verbs as tener and haber, known as hay in present tense, we use with specific articles. They have their rules. For example, with tener, when we have a noun in singular, we would use indefinite article. Tengo un gato. If we use plural nouns, it is common to omit the article. Tengo gatos. With the negative form of tener, we don't use any article. No tengo gato. No tengo gatos. With haber works the same. Hay un gato. Hay gatos. No hay gato. No hay gatos. I have also made a tener video before. You can find it somewhere here. And now let's move on to the last mistake. It is about appearance. That won't be correct to say ella tiene su pelo negro. The correct version is ella tiene el pelo negro. When we give appearance description and when we talk about the body or some features, we would use the definite article. For example, tengo las manos pequeñas. I will not say tengo mis manos pequeñas. The same will be with él tiene sus labios finos. It would be él tiene los labios finos. Definite article. So those were 5 common mistakes I could encounter. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to work through these topics deeply, you can check out my previous videos or the course. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you soon.